Welcome to Hiveland, where every bee has a role, a purpose, and a personality. Meet the worker bees. They wake up early, collect nectar all day, and bring home just enough honey. Sound familiar? Yes, that's your 9 to 5. Then there's the trader bee, buys nectar cheap, sells honey expensive. We call them entrepreneurs. The queen bee, that's the Federal Reserve, the Fed. She doesn't collect nectar. She decides how much honey the entire country gets. Raise rates, cut rates, print money. One bee, every bee feels it. The guard bees, the SEC, the IRS, the FDIC, they watch every transaction, every trade, every drop. Break the rules? The guard bees will find you. And then, the lazy bug. Uses every flower in Hiveland, pays 0 honey back. Every economy has one. Different bees, different roles, but one economy. And every drop of honey connects them all. This is Hiveland, and you're about to understand how your world really works.